What is Chainlink? Chainlink is a decentralized network of oracles that enables smart contracts to securely interact with real-world data and services that exist outside of blockchain networks. Chainlink is like a bridge between blockchain and traditional way of conducting transactions. With Chainlink, the traditional systems that currently power modern economies can connect to the emerging blockchain industry to generate more security, efficiency, and transparency in business and social processes. The problem that Chainlink solves is that a smart contract requires data to execute commands. But most of the data it needs to digitize and automate real-world agreements is not stored on blockchains. The smart contract cannot fetch external data either, because blockchains are like black boxes with no built-in ability to connect to the outside world. This means that asset prices, sports scores, Internet of Things sensors, web data, enterprise systems, and the multitude of other real-world datasets are simply not available on the blockchain, severely limiting the types of smart contracts developers can create. How does one develop a flight insurance agreement without flight data? The only way to efficiently get data into the blockchain is for a software component called an oracle to input it into the blockchain. The challenge then becomes how to design an oracle mechanism with the same security and reliability properties of the underlying blockchain, so as to retain the underlying value proposition of the smart contract without counterparty risk. If a single centralized oracle is responsible for inputting the data used to trigger the smart contract, then that oracle has complete control over the smart contract's outcome. This introduces a serious point of failure known as the oracle problem, which puts the entire smart contract at risk, because anyone can maliciously alter it. So the solution to the predicament was a decentralized oracle network, developed to allow smart contracts to automate the transfer of data between blockchains and outside systems in a highly secure and reliable manner. It uses a similar model to a blockchain in that there is a decentralized network of independent entities, called oracles, that collectively retrieve data from multiple sources, aggregate it, and deliver a validated single data point to the smart contract to trigger its execution, removing any centralized point of failure. For example, Chainlink provides the USD price of Ethereum's native cryptocurrency ETH to blockchains via the ETH USD price feed, which uses numerous independent oracle nodes and data sources to source and deliver the price data. The ETH USD price oracle can then be used by a blockchain application to get the current price of ETH, when being used as collateral or to obtain a loan or to settle a prediction made about the future ETH price. Chainlink provides smart contracts with data from any external system, including premium data providers, and allows smart contracts to send commands to other systems, such as to make a payment on a traditional payment rail. And it can run natively on any blockchain without dependencies on other blockchains, meaning it can support public blockchains, enterprise blockchains, and more. It also connects smart contracts on any blockchain to any input and output. Chainlink also provides multiple layers of security that go beyond decentralization to ensure users can trust the oracle network. It signs the data they input on-chain with a unique cryptographic signature, allowing users to prove its origin as being from a specific oracle node. Use cases of Chainlink. By providing strong security and reliability that is on par with the blockchain, more advanced smart contracts are being created using Chainlink oracles. Some of the main ones include decentralized finance, or DeFi. Many traditional financial products like loans, payments, derivatives, asset equity, and more are being built on the blockchain using smart contracts to increase their security and transparency and reduce barriers to entry. These DeFi applications use Chainlink to price assets, access interest rates, verify collateralization, and more, which enable these products to perform functions like issue a loan at fair market value, automate the issuance of dividends, and settle an options contract. Insurance. Yep, insurance is also possible with Chainlink. Smart contracts are also being leveraged to create parametric insurance contracts on the blockchain. Chainlink is currently being used in production to provide weather data to the arable crop insurance market, enabling farmers all over the world to obtain parametric crop insurance simply with an internet connection, which is settled in a fair and timely manner according to the amount of rainfall, temperature, and other evaluators the policy is set to. Example, if it rains more than X amounts a year, pay out Y settlement. Gaming. Developers are also beginning to launch smart contract-based gaming applications on the blockchain that often incorporate non-fungible tokens, or NFT, as scarce digital collectibles. One of the key building blocks of many blockchain games is a source of randomness to generate random in-game scenarios or determine the lucky winner of prizes. Chainlink provides a randomness solution called VRF, which generates randomness and delivers it to the smart contract in a manner where users can prove it is fair and unbiased, as neither the players, game creators, or external entities can tamper with or manipulate the randomness to their advantage, taking the word fair game to a whole new level. Traditional systems. Another key use case of Chainlink is providing traditional systems like data providers, IoT networks, websites, and enterprises a way to make their data and services available to any blockchain network. Since the Chainlink network is blockchain agnostic, Chainlink oracles serve as an integration gateway for connecting current digital and data infrastructure to any and all blockchain networks. These are just some of the many capabilities Chainlink provides to allow smart contracts to interact with external data and systems with a high degree of security and reliability. If blockchains are decentralized computers and smart contracts are decentralized applications, then Chainlink can be thought of like a decentralized internet that finally allows smart contracts to interact with the outside world while maintaining blockchain technology's fundamental guarantees around security, transparency, and trust. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.